Count them! We've made it to 25 episodes. Welcome into Inside 300, presented by InsideTheMagic.com. I'm your host, Brian Perry, and for the 25th time, thanks so much for joining me. We've got a few stories to catch you up on the weekend that was Disney and Universal, and we only have 300 seconds to do it. One of those stories has to do with Walt Disney World replacing their annual Christmas party with some new after-hours ticketed event. I don't know, we'll get to it in a second. But first, our top story brings us 9 miles northeast of Disney property down in Orlando to the resort formerly known as Universal Studios Escape. Our top story brings us over to Universal Orlando Resort, where two families are suing the vacation destination after they claim that Gru, the main character from the Despicable Me franchise, used a racist hand gesture in pictures they took with the character 2 years ago. The lawsuit at hand listed high-profile hate crimes during which suspects also used a hand gesture, and the families are seeking over $30,000 in damages. The damages allegedly include mental anguish, loss of dignity, humiliation, and other forms of emotional distress. Universal says the performer no longer works for the company. Looks like I need to book a trip to Orlando because way too many people are living out my dream of being evacuated off of Pirates of the Caribbean. In our last episode, we showcased footage of Pirates with the lights on after it experienced technical difficulties at the beginning of the month. Now, just a few days later, guests are reporting that they were stuck for over an hour before being evacuated from the legendary attraction. Disney guest Sarah L. took this video that she shared on Facebook that shows cast members helping guests off of the boats. Jealous. The following day, and for part of the weekend, Pirates remained closed. Perhaps it's the spirit of 500,000 angry Johnny Depp fans that are causing a disruption to the ride. Disney is toying with emotions as the company tweeted out information regarding the holiday season at Walt Disney World. The resort, of course, canceled their annual Halloween party in 2021 in favor for the watered-down Boo Bash that will arrive next month. But what about Christmas time? Rumors have been circulating since the cancellation of Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party that the annual Christmas party will once again be canceled just like last year. And lo and behold, yesterday morning, Disney confirmed the rumors.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party has gotten the boot for the second year in a row. This time in favor of Disney's Very Merriest After Hours ticketed event. Doesn't quite have the same ring to it. Disney's post about the news included mentions of Minnie's wonderful Christmas time fireworks, holiday music, and treats scattered throughout Magic Kingdom. Omitted was any mention of a parade, or even the iconic lights that are normally draped on top of Cinderella Castle. Tickets will go on sale next month and will inevitably upset people once they see the prices, which have not been disclosed yet, though how much they cost will likely make no difference, as the event will almost surely sell out, just like Boo Bash. If Magic Kingdom isn't your thing, Animal Kingdom will have new wintry projections on the Tree of Life. Disney Springs will have fake snowfall. Epcot's bringing in the Festival of the Holidays, and Studios will feature projections on Tower of Terror, plus a motorcade with Santa in it. That's right, when Santa's not coming down Main Street to bring the culmination of an exciting parade to Disney World, he's rolling down Hollywood Boulevard in a red Camaro. It's hard to believe, but it's been over 2 years since a Marvel film has been released in theaters. Spider-Man Far From Home came out at the beginning of July 2019, and now, after a lengthy delay due to COVID-19, Black Widow finally had its official release date. Many fans are saying Natasha Romanoff's story was worth the wait, as the movie garnered a 94% audience score on Rotten Tomatoes. But where are the critics ranking the film amongst the MCU? As it stands today, Scarlett Johansson's Black Widow has an 81% from critics. Quick, I'll give you a second to guess where that ranks it amongst the 24 MCU films to date. Okay, time's up. Black Widow slides into the number 16 spot out of 24. It sits between Ant-Man at 15 and the original Captain America at 17. Interestingly enough, the last female-led MCU movie to debut was Captain Marvel in 2019. Despite scoring within 2 points of Black Widow's critics score with a 79, audiences were nowhere near as satisfied, as the audience score currently sits at a historically low 45%, the lowest for any MCU film. Ironically, if you're keeping score at home and want to combine and average Marvel's critic and audience scores together, the top-ranked film is a dead tie, literally, to the percentage point. Coming in with an identical 92.5 average are the film that started it all, the original Iron Man from 2008, and the film that ended it all, well, technically ended Phase 3, Spider-Man Far From Home in 2019. If you've seen Black Widow, be sure to let us know where you think it ranks amongst MCU's 24 films. Is it a must-see? Is it passable? I haven't seen it yet, so be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. That's going to do it for episode 25 of Inside 300, presented by InsideTheMagic.com. I'm your host, Brian Perry. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe. Click that bell icon. This way you're notified every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning when we come to you with brand new episodes. As always,
Goodbye.
see you next time.